Alright guys, so we're going to be making spinach ohitashi today, which is one of my favorite side dishes, and it's a very easy way to make spinach. We're going to first start with a boiling pot of water, slightly salted, just a dash of salt. We're going to put in a bunch of spinach, which is tied together with a rubber band, and we're going to blanch it for 1 minute. After blanching it for a minute, we're going to strain it, and then we're going to cool it to stop the cooking using some ice and some cool water. The ice also helps to keep the color nice and green, and also lets you handle the spinach much quicker than if you were to just use cold water. So now that we've cooled the spinach, we can handle it. We're going to cut it up into 2-inch pieces and then remove the rubber band. And then we're going to go ahead and squeeze out any of the excess water. So the reason that we're squeezing out the excess water is that we don't want it to dilute our sauce. So for the sauce, we're going to start with 200 ml of dashi stock, 1.5 tablespoons of mirin, 1.5 tablespoons of shoyu. Then we're going to soak the spinach with that sauce for at least a couple hours. After soaking it for a couple hours, it'll be ready to eat.